It's been a while since, I've been speaking Welsh or learning Welsh. I'm sure there's an awful lot of people like me who have learned Welsh in the past and then feel that they've forgotten it and they jump back into it. So there's a lot of layers of learning over the years.
Yes.
And then, so you get to a point that you sort of relearn it again. It's frustrating because you think, I should know this. I learned this, but after a while it does come back. The words start come back and the structuring of the sentences start coming back. I am curious as to what would be the best thing to do for somebody like me, bearing in mind that I still haven't got the confidence to actually go out and start speaking.
I think to just continue to grow your confidence, surround yourself as much as possible to have those natural conversations. You've got a few friends, colleagues that are fluent. I know it's difficult because your English is...
I know exactly what you're saying. It's just, there's a couple of things. Because once you've got Welsh-speaking friends and you've met them and you have only spoken English to them, they can be incredibly understanding and helpful. You still end up getting frustrated and going back to English.
And it would be really useful to meet with other learners.
Maybe other learners.
Or maybe other actors, that have been on the journey as well.
Yeah.
Whether they're at similar stages.
We can make mistakes together.
So your starting language would be Welsh.
Make it enjoyable. Do something that you enjoy, coffee or a walk or wherever it may be. Tipyn bach. Mwy o Gymraeg.
Yeah.
And then just see where you are.
Easy.